I'm swapping broken race flight microprocessor. First add some flux generously, set it up the revoke station to 380 degrees. Heat up the area. Gently remove the chip, but careful about neighboring components. And this is the board which I need to plant salvaged microprocessor. Pre-tune the solder pads before solder. More flux really helps to reflow. Now place the salvage chip. Align it as much as possible, ideal to use two tweezers together. Again my heat 380 degrees. Gently reflow solder. Slightly cleaned it up for better view. Now need slight touch up for perfect connection. And moment of truth. This is the final result.